India may soon get custody of its most wanted accused, Tahawwur Rana. Rana is one of the conspirators of the 26/11, the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. His partner in crime is David Coleman Headley. Both Rana and Headley are of Pakistani origin. Rana was settled in Canada. Dawood Sayed Gilani converted to become David Coleman Headley and shifted base to the United States. Why is India seeking 26/11 accused Tahawwur Rana's custody? News9 Plus Decodes. Tahawwur Rana is lodged in a prison in United States, Chicago since 2009. India demanded his extradition last year when his 14-year jail term was about to end. A lower court allowed the extradition. However, Rana had challenged the court order in the US Supreme Court. Now, the US government has ruled that Rana is extraditable as there is ample evidence of his involvement in the terror attacks. In 2020, Rana was released from jail after testing positive for COVID-19. He was arrested again after the extradition request by India. What is the US position on the extradition request? Assistant US Attorney and Criminal Appeals Chief Bram Alden argued before the court that the lower court was right in sealing Rana's fate. He said that India has established probable cause to prosecute him for his role in the Mumbai terrorist attacks. In all, 166 people, including several Americans, had died in these attacks. Alden said that there is documentary evidence of Rana providing material support to the Pakistani terror group that carried out the attacks. Is it a victory for India? Well, the National Investigation Agency considers Tahawwur Rana a prize catch. This is for the first time that a US court has relied heavily on Indian investigation agencies. Rana had guided Headley and helped him set up an office for his Chicago-based immigration services company in Mumbai in 2006. The company was called Immigration Law Center. Headley used this as a cover to scout sites for the terror attacks. Rana had allowed Headley to represent his firm in order to gain access to newspaper offices offering to buy advertising space. Headley and Rana were childhood friends in Pakistan. Headley has nailed Rana's role in the 26/11 conspiracy. A US court has sentenced David Headley to 35 years in prison. However, as per the bargain plea, he cannot be handed over to India or Pakistan. So, India has made Headley an approver in this case. What happens once India gets Rana? In his testimony in 2011, Headley had named Tahawwur Rana. At that time, Rana was convicted for supporting the Lashkar-e-Taiba but was cleared of a charge of his involvement in the 26/11 attacks. The Indian government now has to work the diplomatic channels to ensure Rana is extradited. What is the political significance of Tahawwur Rana's extradition? The US will hold polls in November to elect a new government. A stern message on the terror conspirator could strengthen the Indian government's stand on being tough on terror. If Rana spills the beans, it could provide clinching evidence of the Pakistan deep state's involvement in planning the 26/11 attacks. In case Rana is extradited, the NIA, the investigation agency in this case, will get his custody. Rana is also a prime link between terror organizations LET, Jamat-Ud-Dawa and the Pakistan Army. The NIA could dig out hard evidence of the Pakistan government's role in the 26/11 conspiracy if it gets Rana's custody for questioning.